In the vast expanse stretching from the bustling streets of Corona to the scenic landscapes of Riverside County, the integrity of asphalt surfaces speaks volumes about the care and attention to detail in property maintenance. At Toro Striping, we recognize the importance of preserving not just the functionality, but also the aesthetic appeal of asphalt pavements. Our professional crack sealing services stand as a testament to our commitment to excellence in asphalt maintenance. It's not just about filling cracks. It's about ensuring your asphalt stays resilient against the elements and maintains its sharp appearance for years to come. Our crack sealing services are a blend of precision, expertise, and top-quality materials aimed at fortifying your asphalt against the relentless forces of nature. Our process begins with a meticulous, comprehensive crack assessment, where no crack goes unnoticed. We scour every inch of your pavement, identifying even the smallest imperfections that could spell trouble in the future. Armed with the latest methods and top-tier sealants, we fill in those cracks with utmost care, ensuring that each one is sealed to perfection. Our sealants are not just any sealants. They are tough, weather-resistant warriors that stand guard against water infiltration, temperature fluctuations, and the relentless wear and tear of daily traffic. So, if you're tired of unsightly cracks marring the beauty of your property, it's time to take action. Contact Toro Striping today to schedule expert crack sealing services. Let us be your partner in preserving the integrity and beauty of your asphalt surfaces. Together, we can pave the way to a brighter, smoother future for your property.